So Lady Macbeth told her husband that the murder of Duncan was essential for the fulfillment of the prophecies. If Duncan is not murdered, Macbeth cannot be the king. It happened that at this time, King Duncan came to visit Macbeth's castle along with his two sons, Malcolm and Dunalbain, and numerous thanes and attendants to honor Macbeth for his triumph against the rebels. Meanwhile, when Macbeth and Lady Macbeth were planning these things, Duncan visited the castle of Macbeth. Castle. You know what we mean by castle, a fortified place. Now, why did King Duncan visit Macbeth's castle? Because he wanted to honor Macbeth. Because if the king visits the house of a subject, it is an honor to him. Why did Duncan want to honor Macbeth? For his triumph against the rebels. Triumph means victory, joy. Macbeth had defeated the rebels, so Duncan wanted to reward Macbeth, and he wanted to reward Macbeth by honoring him by visiting his castle. But Duncan did not come alone because he was the king. He was accompanied by many people. Who accompanied Duncan to the castle of Macbeth? His two sons, Malcolm and Dunalbain. Malcolm was the elder son. Dunalbain was the younger son. They came with him, and numerous thanes and attendants. Numerous means many in number. Thanes, that means the landlords under the king, attendants, servants, they accompanied Duncan to Macbeth's castle. Inverness, the castle of Macbeth, was pleasantly situated on a hill, and the air about it was sweet and wholesome. What was the name of Macbeth's castle? The name of Macbeth's castle was Inverness. Where was it situated? It was situated on a hill. And how was the atmosphere? Here air means atmosphere, ambience, puribesh. How was the ambience of Macbeth's castle? It was sweet and wholesome. The word wholesome actually means nutritious, pushtikar. For example, meat is a wholesome food. But here wholesome means calm and pleasant. Shantu monoram. So the ambience of Macbeth's castle was calm and pleasant. The nests that the swallows or the martlets had built under all the jutting friezes and buttresses of the building. Now there is a printing mistake. Correct it. The air about it was sweet and wholesome. The sentence does not stop there. Add because of, and T should be small. Because of the nests. Write down because of. Why was the ambience, why was the atmosphere of Macbeth's castle sweet and pleasant and calm? Because the swallows, a type of bird found abundantly in Europe, the swallows had built nests there. In Europe, it is believed that if swallows build nests in a house, the atmosphere of the house is calm and pleasant. Swallow যদি বাসা বানায় সেখানকার পরিবেশ মনোরম হবে. So the swallows or martlets had built nests under the buttresses of the building. The word buttress means something that supports. For example, the pillars, stambha, thumb, they are the buttresses. So under the buttresses, under the jutting friezes, the beams that came out, jutting friezes, under the jutting friezes, under the pillars, the swallows had built nests, and because of the nests built by the swallows, the atmosphere of Macbeth's castle was calm and pleasant. The king was extremely pleased as he entered the palace, not only for its wonderful ambience, but also due to the attention and respect of his hostess, Lady Macbeth. Duncan was very pleased to visit Macbeth's castle. Why was he pleased? He was pleased for two reasons. Number one reason, as I have already said, the atmosphere of the castle was very pleasant. And what was number two reason? Lady Macbeth's attention and respect. Lady Macbeth was the hostess. Hostess is the feminine gender of the word host. Hosted, feminine gender, hostess. What is meant by the term host? Host means a person who looks after the guest. যিনি অতিথি সেবা করেন, দেখাশোনা করেন, he is the host. In this case, Macbeth was the host because Duncan had visited Macbeth's castle. So Duncan was the guest and Macbeth was the host and Lady Macbeth was the hostess. Lady Macbeth behaved in a very pleasant manner with Duncan. তিনি খুব সুন্দর আচরণ করলেন. She showed respect to the old king. She was very attentive to him, and this attention and respect pleased Duncan. Lady Macbeth, who had developed the art of camouflaging her treacherous purposes with smiles and charming etiquette. This is the character of Lady Macbeth. If 100-word question may be asked, sketch the character of Lady Macbeth. What was Lady Macbeth's character? Lady Macbeth was extremely ambitious and at the same time she could camouflage. What is meant by the term camouflage? To camouflage means to hide, lukiye rakha. She had developed the art of camouflaging. Art means trick, kaushal. She had developed the trick of hiding her treacherous purposes. Treacherous purposes means the evil purposes. Ashubha uddeshya. She could hide her evil purposes. How could she hide her evil purposes? With smiles and charming etiquette. Etiquette means behavior, charming means pleasing. With the help of her pleasing behavior, Lady Macbeth could hide her evil intentions. তার অশুভ ইচ্ছেগুলোকে তিনি ঢাকা দিয়ে রাখতে পারতেন. What was Lady Macbeth's evil intention? What did she camouflage? What was her treacherous purpose? Her treacherous purpose was to murder Duncan. Lady Macbeth wanted to murder Duncan, but she could hide her purposes. She could hide her evil intention with pleasing smiles and behavior. This was her character. In the original play, she is described as a serpent hiding inside beautiful flowers. সুন্দর ফুলের মধ্যে এমন সাপ লুকিয়ে থাকে. Lady Macbeth was just like that. Her charming behavior, her pleasing etiquette were actually camouflages. It hid her evil intentions. Tired of his long journey, the king went early to bed. Duncan was tired because he had travelled a long distance. He was an old man, so he had become tired. He went early to bed. It was the middle of the night. Now over half the world's nature seemed dead, and wicked dreams abuse sleeping men's minds. At midnight, everything seems to be dead. Everything seems to be silent. সব কিছুই যেন মৃত বলে মনে হয়. Wicked dreams means nightmares, দুঃস্বপ্ন. Nightmares abuse. Here abuse means to disturb. Nightmare disturb the minds of the sleeping people. And none but the wolf or the murderer is out for hunt. No one remains awake at midnight. Who remain awake except the wolf or the predatory animals? Shikari poshu, jemon nekre. They remain awake. They are looking for prey, P-R-E-Y, shikar kunje, or the murderer. The murderer always chooses midnight as the ideal time to murder. This was the time when Lady Macbeth woke up to plot the murder of the king. Lady Macbeth wanted to kill Duncan, and she decided to kill Duncan at midnight. She plotted the murder. To plot means to conspire, ষড়যন্ত্র করা. She conspired the murder of the king at midnight. Lady Macbeth herself wanted to kill Duncan. Why did Lady Macbeth herself want to kill Duncan? She would not have undertaken a deed so abhorrent to her sex, and she was well aware of her husband's nature that was too full of the milk of human kindness to execute a contrived murder. Lady Macbeth had undertaken to murder Duncan. Duncan ke hottar bhar Lady Macbeth nije niyechen. She did not entrust Macbeth with the deed. Why did she not entrust Macbeth? Why had she undertaken a deed? Deed means action. So abhorrent to her sex. Here sex refers to the female gender. To the female gender, murder is abhorrent. The word abhorrent comes from the word abhorrence. Abhorrence means hatred, krina. So the female sex, that means the women, hate to murder. Women do not want to murder. It is something abhorrent to them. It is something that arises antipathy. Narira হত্যা করতে চায় না. But still, Lady Macbeth took upon herself the deed of murdering Duncan. Why? Because she was well aware of her husband's nature. Lady Macbeth knew something about the nature of Macbeth. Macbether prokriti tini janen. It was too full of the milk of human kindness. Full of the milk of human kindness. That means he had too much kindness and generosity. Macbether moddhe ache udarata ebong daya. He was so kind, so generous that he cannot carry out a contrived murder. Contrived murder means pre-planned murder. Macbeth cannot carry out a pre-planned murder. পূর্ব পরিকল্পিত হত্যাকাণ্ড Macbeth করতে পারবেন না. Macbeth can kill people. Macbeth can kill people in the battlefield. He can kill his enemies in a hand-to-hand fight. But he cannot kill a sleeping person. That was why Lady Macbeth took upon herself the responsibility of killing Duncan. Duncan ke hottar bhar tini nijei tule nilen. We have read up to this point. I will send you questions, word notes. Follow it. Thank you.